Halo adik-adik semuanya, kita kali ini lanjut dengan materi bahasa Inggris kelas 6 SD, Unit 6, My Friends Experience. My Friends Experience artinya pengalaman temanku. Oke, jadi akan ada cerita terkait pengalaman temannya, misalnya liburan atau jalan-jalan dan sebagainya. Seperti ini misalnya. This is Aisyah, ya. She went to the beach with her family. Dia ke pantai dengan orang tuanya, ya. And then she took pictures with her family. Oke, wonderful. Oke, kita lanjut. Look and say, look at the pictures and say the words. Lihat gambar, katakan kata-katanya, ucapkan kata-katanya. First di sini, drove, arti di bawah ya. Took pictures, prepared lunch, played, looked for, had lunch, bought fish, visited the beach. Di sini ada percakapan. Aisyah, what did you do last holiday? Cici, apa yang kamu lakukan di liburan kemarin? Cici, I went to Papuma Beach. Where is it? Cici answered, Jember. What did you do there? I took some pictures and had fun. Oke, saya ke Papuma, pantai Papuma. Aisyah tanya di mana? Cici jawab Jember. What did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan di sana? Ini, I took some pictures. Saya mengambil foto atau memotret dan had fun, bersenang-senang. Now we have a text. Read the text and answer the questions. Artinya ada di sebelah kiri. Aisyah visited the library. Hello, my name is Aisyah. I have a best friend. Her name is Cici. Yesterday, we went to the school library. We were there after school. We borrowed some books there. Then we read the books. I read a science book and Cici read a comic book. We were in the library for 2 hours. We went home at 12. We were very happy. The questions, who is Aisyah's best friend? Ini udah ada contoh jawabannya ya. Cici. Number 2, where did they go? Yeah, they went to the school library. When did they go to the library? They went there after school. Ini ya. We were there after school. Berarti ya setelah sekolah baru ke sana, ke perpustakaan. What did they borrow? Mereka meminjam apa? Ya, ini jawabannya jumlah dulu ya. They borrowed some books. What did Aisyah read? She read a science book. Nah, ini kata read, kalau dalam bentuk saat ini sekarang itu kita bilangnya read. I read book. Tapi kalau kegiatan itu udah lampau, past tense ya, yang saat ini sedang dibahas, maka kata read-nya dibaca read. What did Cici read? Cici read a comic book. Next, were they in the library for 3 hours? Apa mereka di perpustakaan selama 3 jam? We were in the library for 2 hours. Ini 2 jam ya. Oke, bukan 3 jam. Berarti jawabannya, ingat ya, ini diawali dengan were. Berarti cukup jawab yes or no. Ya, no. Tapi bukan hanya yes or no aja, tapi ikuti dengan, sesuaikan dengan pertanyaannya. No, they were not. Gitu. Itu polanya. No, they were not. Kalau iya, mereka di perpustakaan, yes, they were. Number 8, how long were they in the library? Berapa lama mereka di sana? They were there for 2 hours. Ini ya, mereka 2 jam di perpustakaan. When did they go home? Kapan mereka balik ke rumah? Okay, we went home at 12. So the answer is they went home at 12. Karena ini ditanyanya mereka, kita jawab juga mereka, bukan kita. We went home at 12, tapi they went home at 12. Kita menceritakan lagi, gitu, sesuai teks. Number 10, were they happy? Were they happy? We were very happy ya. So, yes, they were. Nah, selanjutnya ini ada gambar my friend Aisyah. Aisyah kegiatannya mulai dari bangun tidur, kemudian ibadah, bersepeda, apalagi nih, makan bersama keluarga, pergi berbelanja, mungkin ya, kemudian menonton bersama keluarga. Nah, ini ada ceritanya, adik-adik silahkan lihat dulu. I have a friend. Her name is Aisyah. Last Sunday, she did many activities. After she got up and prayed subuh, she washed her bike in the garage. Then she watered the flowers. At 8 o'clock, she had breakfast with her family. In the afternoon, she went to supermarket with her mother by a motorcycle. In the evening, she watched TV with her family. It was a happy Sunday for her. Oke, jadi di teks-teks sebelumnya kakak kasih artinya ya, ini kakak tidak berikan. Artinya silahkan kakak mengasumsikan adik-adik sudah paham dari unit 4, unit 5 kita udah menggunakan terjemahan ya, ini coba kita tidak menggunakan terjemahan. Answer these questions correctly. Who is my friend? Ya, siapa temanku? Di sini temannya adalah Aisyah. What did she do in the morning? What did she do in the morning? Yeah, she got up and prayed subuh. Where did she wash her bike? Where did she wash her bike? Di mana dia mencuci sepedanya? This one. She washed her bike in the garage. When did she have breakfast? When did she have breakfast? She had breakfast at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, she had breakfast with her family. Bisa dilengkapi juga breakfast with her family. What did she do in the afternoon? Apa yang dia lakukan di siang hari? She went to the supermarket. Yeah, in the afternoon, she went to supermarket. Who did she go to supermarket with? Who, siapa, dengan siapa dia ke supermarket? She went to supermarket with her mother. Terus, ini jawabannya. Number 7, how did she go to the supermarket? Dia naik apa ke supermarketnya? Berarti tinggal lanjut aja ya. By a motorcycle. She went there by motorcycle. What did she do in the evening? Ini dihapus dulu. In the evening, she watched TV. She watched TV in the evening, boleh. Who did she watch TV with? Dia nontonnya sama siapa? Iya, with her family ya. With her family. Was it a happy Sunday for Aisyah? Apakah itu merupakan hari Minggu yang berbahagia untuk Aisyah? Yes, it was ya. It was. Jadi kalau adik-adik ada teks, dia pertanyaannya di sini berurutan gitu, berurutan dari atas dan jawabannya juga mengikuti. Intinya adalah adik-adik paham kosakatanya dan juga makna ini pertanyaan-pertanyaan who, what, where, when, how dan seterusnya. Oke? Nah, my new words, kata-kata baruku di unit 6 ada kata borrowed. Borrowed, meminjam. Science, ilmu pengetahuan. Watered, menyiram. Library, perpustakaan. How long, berapa lama gitu. Oke? Jadi demikian, semoga membantu adik-adik. Ini adalah unit 6 materi terakhir di semester 1 ya. Jadi kita akan lanjut dengan materi semester 2 ya di video selanjutnya. Ditunggu ya. Terima kasih.